The next presentation is by Tushki.
Hi, till the time. Oh, great. Hi, I'm Talvinder Singh, founder and CEO of Tushki.com. Tushki is a marketplace for real-world leisure activities. We are GSI Batch 1 and 500 Startups Batch 6 company. Think about it. You can book movie tickets online, you can book flights online, hotels online. Why not activities? Because no bookable inventory of local activities exists. Try looking it up. It's an SEO jungle out there. No wonder leisure travel sucks. Looking and booking an activity takes much more time than actually doing it. And so every week, you end up going for movie, mall, dinner again and again. And you're not alone. 350 million Indians travel within India. And they try to do something on their weekends. They spend $40 per person. 6 million foreigners come to India every year, spending $1,100 per person. It's a $33 billion badly fragmented space, double the size of cab rental. Completely undiscovered, untapped. We saw it, we built Tushki to organize it. Tushki is a beautiful product. Discovering local activities from local people is extremely easy, and booking them right down to the date and time of the activity is even easier. Activity providers get a great looking profile page and a simple dashboard to manage their activities. Essentially, Tushki is a booking engine powering local activities. These activities were not available online, or they were not even existing. For example, Jawahar Joshi, rifle shooting coach on weekends and a banker on weekdays, only on Tushki. Imagine the unlocked potential waiting to be unlocked. Tushki was co-founded by just the right bunch of crazy people. I'm an aerospace engineer, and between me, Kunal and Kranti, we are music producer, actor, singer, dancers, and we are all travelers. We know how to have a good time, and we know how to build companies. Kranti has built and sold a web services company, and Kunal has built and exited a $20 million company. We are from IIT Bombay, and we have built a stellar team. We have the backing of some of the most reputed angels and advisors from India and the Valley. And here's the money slide. We have traction. In the past 2 months, we have scaled up from $2,000 to $10,000, and we are doubling it every month. We have 850 sellers in 3 cities, making us by far the biggest in the country. Our closest competitor has 100 activities in 1 city. And our activities are so awesome that 16 top-tier corporates use our activities to engage their employees. And 55 premium hotels in Mumbai use our activities to engage their guests. That's the quality of our experiences. We have already closed a 200K round in March this year, and we've just opened a 750K round to build our product and to expand across India aggressively. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what disruption looks like in the beginning. And this is an idea whose time has come. Thank you.